What's up, guys? I am I'm in the shed right now. Got to blow dry my hair. Well, yeah, I'm gonna use that blow dryer I bought the other day that I said I wasn't gonna open. Now I have the time. I'm gonna open it. I washed my hair. I have not brushed my waves down. So we're going to see what that's going to look like. Come on over, guys. Come on over. Come on over. Come on over. Come on over. All right, so I currently have this do-rag on with a bag over my head. I did like a quick wash. It is not the best wash. I just washed it real quick. And I put some of that, let's see, what's it called? Put some of that lot of body in it, right? Excuse me. I did not comb my hair down, did not brush my hair down. No waves, y'all. I'm not spinning, period. Waves, gone. Not really, I could just brush them down and my waves will be back. But as of right now, they gone, okay? So I want to use this blow dryer because this has been sitting on my head for like 2 hours, I think. And yeah, it's probably looking rizzo. I saw this in the bathroom. I figured to use it. But yeah, let's take a look. Woo! Look like Jerry Springer. But no, my hair is still wet. Like, it's legit been on my head for like forever and a day. So yeah, waves are gone. As you can see, that was really kind of sort of my goal, to get the waves to be out. So this is what your girl's looking like. Mind you, like I said, I have not been giving myself edge ups in the front or like the top like lineup. So it's blending in good there, but obviously it's gotta dry. This is for me, really quick. I'm gonna get closer, guys. So, in a minute. Oh yeah. Away gone, ain't it? That's straight. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that, y'all. All right, let's get back in position. I really don't feel like just stopping the camera. And I'm probably more than likely not gonna cut this out because I don't feel like it. Just trying to run it all the way through. All right, so yeah, this stuff been sitting on my hair. My hair is like it's cold, it's wet. So let's see what it looks like dry. Like I said, I had bought this Bonnet hair dryer. Andis is at-home Bonnet hair dryer from Walmart, y'all. Really, really good price. I think it was like 30-something bucks or 40 bucks. I don't know. Something like that. I wanted it, got it anyways. Like, whatever. told y'all that I was going to. Whew, I gotta sneeze. Look at this. Here we go. Oh. Instructions or care. Let me get this chair. Just gotta put it down on. You'll probably see my. Everything cool. It's just everything in it, y'all. I got to be quick. My hair is wet. It's not cold right now, but it's not high either. Can y'all see it? Or do I need to go back? That's what I need to do. Okay, portable. All right. Let's see if I can. This way. Okay. Okay. This way. Let's take a look, y'all. See if I can get y'all in a little bit more. Get the light down. Scooch over. And let's see. We're gonna go down to about here. I think y'all can see perfectly. I just don't feel like doing the most. Y'all, don't look at my toes. All right. Okay. Here's the hair piece here. Cool. Okay. Hot, warm. Okay. High, off, low. All right, off. Let's take this plastic bubble wrap off. Hooked in. I really like this so far. I know I haven't done anything. I kind of got a feeling like this goes in here. I mean, don't take a rocket science to see that that's where it goes. But like I say, instructions. Okay. Got some stickers from Andis. Okay. Let's see. Yada yada. Cannot read that side. Let's get to the side that I can actually read. Here we go. Drawstring, okay, electric bonnet, hose, locking ring, hose, bonnet storage, temperature setting, air intake grill, fan setting, okay, yada yada. Stop to use application only for its needs. I use attachments not recommended for Andis. Did I see these instructions to the appliances intended for household use only? Cool. Good. Good, good, good. I just got a feeling all I need to do is put this on my head. So that's what we're gonna do. We looked at the instructions and yeah, I'm about to plug this sucker up. And I'm gonna leave it literally right here, y'all. Like, I'm not gonna do, actually I'm gonna put it over here. All right, come over, y'all. Hang on. Let me make way. I don't want to wait for our lives to be over. Would it be? All right. Oh, that's actually a good little spot. Okay, so my hair is, y'all might can see it a little bit better now, but this is typically how my hair looks when it's wet, okay? This is normal. Really good hair, right? When it's wet, everybody's hair is like super good. Now the testing, the testers. Oh, what's that flickering? Wait a minute now. Hold up. Hold up. Oh. I'm tripping, y'all. I'm over here like spazzing out. Like, what's that flickering? Yo, the light that I put in here, no bueno. All right. No bueno, literally. Okay, let's get some other products in here before we start to blow drying, because once I blow dry, that's it, y'all. Oh, this smells so good. I'm just gonna like, you know, sit it on some of the areas that I, you feel me? Just rub it in. I mean, nothing spectacular. Nothing spectacular. Promise you that. Promise you that. All right, everybody, I am the first person to use this. They say this is the drawstring. So, drawstring, what's good? Or don't tell me you gotta have a small head. Like, hello? Hello? All right, y'all ready to try this? It's right there. Let's get in the... Let's get in that way. Let's get closer to it. All right, let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Y'all see me? We straight. All right. I'm just gonna put this over my head, I think. Let's see, that was not plugged up. Hold on, y'all. All right. Time to plug that sucker in. I think this is as good as we're gonna really get. I already have some non-likes so far, unless I'm just tripping. But anyways, oh, that is, we want it hot. It's portable. Oh, that heat feels so freaking good. Oh. All right, so I don't really know where this needs to go. Oh. I'm blowed up. Yeah, I'm blowing up. Blowing? Well, I don't want to say that. It's blowing up. All right. This is hilarious. Y'all gotta see it. It's like legit. All right, it's the perfect time for me to like really read these instructions, because feels good. Place the dryer on the level, heat-resistant table or countertop. Open lid and gently remove the power cord hose and bonnet. Connect the power cord to outlet. Attach the hose to the bonnet by snapping the tab on the hose. Locking ring into the locking ring on the bonnet. Towel pat and untangle wet hair to remove excess water to shorten drying time. Use this appliance only for its intended use and as described in this manual. Do not use attachments not recommended by Andis. Never operate this appliance if it has damaged core or plug if it's not working properly. If it has been damaged or dropped, then use water. Return the appliance from Andis authorized service station for replacement if under warranty. Ooh, it's getting hot. Wait a minute. Warm it up, baby. Warm it up, baby. Warm it up, baby. Warm it up and lower it down and lower it down and take it down and take it down. If a supply cord is damaged, it must be replaced by the manufacturer. If service agent or similarly qualified person in order to avoid a hazard. Y'all, I know this word. I'm so still right now. Keep the cord away from heated surfaces. Do not wrap the cord around the appliance. Do not use an extension cord with this appliance. Never block the air openings of the appliance or place it on a soft surface such as bed or couch where the air openings may be blocked. Keep their openings free of lint, hair, etc. Never use while sleeping. Never drop or insert any object into any opening. Do not use appliances with dry, synthetic, natural, or human wigs. Do not use outdoors. Operate where aerosol spray products are being used or where oxygen is being administered. Do not direct hot air towards eyes or other heat-sensitive areas. While using the appliance, keep your hair away from the air inlets. Do not operate with a voltage converter. Alright? Cool. So, that's all we really need to know. I'm about to turn this sucker around so it'll get the other side of my head. I'm already seeing some things, and I'm not even paying attention. I'm already seeing some things that I know what kind of gotta do with. So, I'm about to turn it around so that I can kind of feel like it's getting this side of my hair. Honestly, it could be, but I don't know. So I want to feel like it is. So I probably should have put it in the back. So we're going back on high. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, for the price, I mean, great product. But we'll talk about it here when we're done. That hot heat feels good, but then it get hot. It doesn't feel good though. Warm. Making sure everything laying how I want it to be laid. It's on low, warm. This feels so good. It just feels good. Feels really, really good. Feel like I'm gonna put the rotator, put the hose to the back after I do just a little bit front real quick. And we should be dry, y'all. I think I'm dry right now, but I just, me being me. Going on high for hot. what it's looking like. Ooh, that hot now. Oh yeah. Low and warm, low and warm. I feel like an elephant. Like, oh. Let's go leave that up to the elephant. All right, let's go ahead and rotate it to the bizac. Honestly, that's probably where it really is supposed to go. And I just did it all wrong from the jump. Oh my goodness. Yep, bruh. Y'all, it looked like I was supposed to put it in the back all along. Like, this looks normal. It being in the back looks and feels normal. Not touching anything. Anywho, put that on hot. Oh, that sucker up. Get hot now. Don't get it twisted. No, they're doing it on purpose, baby. Well, what on the dirt, baby? Hey, yeah, what's up? Hey, come up. All right. Yo. Okay. Let's get this off. Woo! And we're off. All right. I feel like my hair is dry, y'all. This is what it is looking like. I think it did a really good job. Let's I should have put a cream pomade in. Forgot I had that. Ooh, and the Indian hip. Oh well. Guys, it is done. It's done. Let's stand up. Let's have a real look-see. Oh, where's the light? Light. Won't you come back to me? Won't you come back to me? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? Do not do me like that, brother. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Do not do me like that, brother, 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 brother. This is why I cut stuff out. I'm not your average. Not your average, guys. All right. I don't care. I'm me, so that's all that matters. All right. Dang, that light sometimes it just be like lighting and I can't really see what I'm wanting to see or it's intended to see, but y'all can see. Y'all can see what is needed to be seen. But as of right now, let me see if I could change the... Okay. Whatever. Don't matter. was good where we're at, but let's see if I can turn it and change the, I'm sure it's already set. I just can't see because the light is just so bright in my face. I can't tell what's being seen or not. Whatever. All right, this is it. This is the final look after it's blow dried with the blow dryer, the Andis Bonnet blow dryer, portable blow dryer, y'all. This is what my hair is looking like. Waves. Poof, gone. 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 One more wave. They gone. Let me go take a look at it. Oh, this is gonna be, oh my goodness. Tisha, what are you doing, girl? That's it. This is gonna be a no edit video, so y'all are gonna see like me and how I am. For real. Literally, no edit. Why would I edit that out? Why would I edit my true reaction out? Seriously. Let's see here. All right. Let's take a look. Let's see how I feel about it. I'm thinking about putting a light right here, but in due time. I got some stuff coming. But this video is gonna be like before that. But I'm gonna be posting it after anyways. Ooh. This is cute. I'm rocking with it. It's gonna take some getting used to, but I like it. Let's take a look at these brushes. I usually don't like using my barber brushes on my hair, but it's all good. I ain't tripping. I mean, that's just me. That's just what I don't do. All right. I don't know. This is cute. This is cute. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I'm digging it, y'all. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Let's get back in our little spot. Okay, so, dang, y'all just so close. Back up. All right, so that's why it's so far down, baby. Bruh. I figured it out, y'all. It was just so far down. Anyways, this is it, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all again because I think the light just kind of readjusted itself just a little bit. So I could be wrong and y'all could just be seeing this the same way the second time, but oh well. Like I said, I'm not editing this video. All right, what do y'all think? How do y'all believe this Bonnet hair dryer from Andis work? Love it. Y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I rate this video, I rate this Bonnet hair dryer from Andis from Walmart at about $40 or so, I think. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, y'all. I recommend y'all to go purchase that if you do not have it. I had a little hiccup. We're trying to figure out how to position it on my head. The perfect position is when the hose is in the back. I had it on the side because that's the side that I had it sitting at. Then I wanted to go ahead and rotate to the other side because that's the type of person I am. I want all angles, right? And then to the front, and then I put it in the back, and I realized the back was probably the better option. But if you want to do all angles, you can. I mean, that took less than, what, 5 minutes, I think, to dry my hair. I have to look back on the video. And maybe I'll add in a little clip. That'll be the edit end clip or the edit of this video or whatever. Yeah, I really like this. Not a sponsor for Andis and not a sponsor for this Bonnet hair dryer. It's portable. But hey, I'm not gonna gatekeep, you know. I'm gonna let y'all in on the good stuff. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on socials. Bye.